Well, here I am. I'm draining out my espresso machine here. I've taken it apart, taken off the exterior components. Here, I'll show you over here. Here is all of my stainless steel from my La San Marco espresso machine that I bought the other day. There's the front panel. I removed all the paneling. I'm on my first day and found a good place to drain it. This little solenoid port here that goes to the fill line on the it connects to the bottom of the boiler, and as you can see, the sight glass here, no water in the boiler. So I've done my job. Now I'm going to go ahead and reconnect this. I just removed the top of the solenoid, as you can see here. That kind of allows everything to drain. So I'm also working my way around here, disconnecting all of the electrical components. I'll show you. Here's my pump. I've already disassembled the electric from the pump, and then the front, what used to be the front push button stations. Here's the water fill valve, or the hot water valve that was on the front. And here's my steam valve. Steam valve number 2. It's a San Marco 85-16-2. Here, I'll show you over here. I think that's on one of my panels. I'm so organized. So organized. But hey, I'm a fire suppression guy, and that's what I'm known for, my organization. Well, I had a panel that had everything on there. It's around here somewhere. I'll show it on another video. So what I'm going to do here, we'll take a look at some of these. Look how dirty that is. I paid $400 for this machine, so I got a good deal. I think I can rebuild it pretty nicely, and either have a really nice espresso machine, or have some kick-ass espresso every day. So my plan here is I'm thinking about powder coating all of these panels instead of just polishing them up. Just do something unique, something different. Oh, maybe like red, green, and yellow reggae type of deal. That'd be kind of interesting. Unlike me, I'm obviously not very interesting. These panels were on the outside of everything. I'm gonna repaint these. You can see reggae like Bob Marley right there. I'm gonna repaint these. It's gonna be interesting. Now look at that. 85-16M-2. I'm thinking about maybe powder coating the panels, like I said, and then making decals to replace these. A lot of the design on here, I think I can improve upon. Stuff like this isn't very waterproof. This factory 220 volt power box. I can probably put in some exterior, just an exterior power box. And a nice ground fault and a GFI built into here. So obviously that's a GFI would be better because we're working with water, and this machine I believe is from 1996. I had another panel here that explained when this machine was from. Oh, here it is. We'll zoom in on there. It was built 9/2/1996. Now GFIs were not obviously too prevalent. I mean, like 96 they probably were. Who knows? We have what I already disconnected was the top coil solenoid valve right here. It's a it's SIRAI, made in Italy. It's probably a quality solenoid valve. Kind of old though. So let's see, we'll get the model number Z530A. I could probably find a new one on the internet or a similar model. What else? I want the gauge here. Yeah, that gauge is pretty fucked up, as you can see. I'll see if I can recalibrate that when I pull it off. Let's see, we got these little connector heads for these other solenoid valves. We're gonna probably look online for new connector heads. Here, the other solenoid has them. This is the MPM B-12. Let's see, there it is right there. That should be pretty simple to find on some PLC type of store. I guess that's it for now. As you can see, there's a lot of work in there, but I'm gonna have some fun with this thing. So that's it for now, and goodbye.